Hi guys, how's it going? Woohoo! Bonus content, little bonus video. Well, it's just after 4 o'clock and I've just got in from work. And there was a parcel waiting for me now. One of my subscribers, Stan. Hi Stan, thank you very much. He put an ad up, I can't remember where it was, it might have been Instagram, it might have been Facebook. Does anybody want to trade or buy these? And I said, Stan, how much do you want for this one, this particular one? I'll show you in a minute, little unboxing. And he went, John, you can have it. I'll send it you and I'll send you some other stuff. Well, I came home from work today at 4 o'clock. And it's here, it's arrived. And Stan, thank you very much for your generosity. Stan's sent this to me for use in the channel. Thank you so much, Stan. First off, here he said, hi John, hope you enjoy the products. Thanks again for the content. Take care, Stan. Thank you very much, Stan. I was looking in that to see if there was a 20, for a drink later, but you can't have everything, can you? And he sent me these blades. Look at these, look. So we've got 2 or 3 packs of those, which I absolutely love. And these again, which I absolutely love. Thank you very much, Stan. These, I don't think I've tried these, but I've wanted to. And some perma sharps. Well, come on, you can never have too many of those. Those are excellent blades, so thank you for those, Stan. Now this was the one I wanted. You're the one that I want. You are the one I want. I saw this and I said, Stan, how much you want? Now Stan, bless you, I thought it was half gone. I thought he's used it and he's shifting stuff on like I do, because you've got so much in your den. And when it's come, it's not used it at all. Look, it's still sealed. So thank you very, very much, Stan. I was going to buy this. I got some of their blades, but I could only afford to buy either blades or this. Couldn't afford, sorry, there's so much stuck on my tooth. Couldn't afford to buy them both. So I got the blades, and then Stan's gifted me that. So we've got a 1-blade shave coming up. Thank you very much, Stan. He sent me this, but it leaked. So I've opened the box and cleaned it up a bit. Frost drops, I'll look forward to using that. He sent me this. I love Noble Otter soaps. I've got a Noble Otter razor. It's a generic razor, but it was branded from the razor company as a Noble Otter razor. And a Noble Otter brush. And Monarch, I don't think, I've got 3 or 4 Noble Otter soaps. Don't think I've got that one. So thank you very much for that, Stan. Because I asked him about that one and he said, you can have that and I'll send you some other stuff as well. So very much appreciated, Stan. And this, which I've seen around so much and wanted for quite a while. Look at this, what I got as well. Really looking forward to using this. So very quick unboxing, because I just wanted to say thank you to Stan for his generosity. Publicly, just say thank you. If you want to say thank you to Stan, please do it under here. When I get a pay rise at work, I'll get his all to email my boss as well. Thank you so much for giving John that pay rise. No, please thank Stan in the comments below. Very kind, very generous, little bonus video. Hope you like this. Got some good shaves coming up and now some other stuff as well. Yeah, take care and I will see you on Saturday. Bye.